Do you want to start speaking English today? Do you want English to feel easier, calmer, and more natural, even if you are an A1 to A2 learner? If your answer is yes, welcome. Hello, my wonderful English learners. I'm Teacher Emma, and this is English Unlocked, the podcast, your safe, slow, and simple place to practice English every day. Many learners understand English, but speaking feels difficult. Maybe your words come slowly. Maybe your mind becomes quiet. Maybe you feel nervous when you talk. This is normal. You are not alone, and there is nothing wrong with you. Today, we will train your English brain together. You will learn how to think in English, how to feel more confident, and how to use daily shadowing to speak more naturally, step by step. In this lesson, we will not study grammar rules. We will not memorize long vocabulary lists. Instead, we will focus on something more important: your English mind, your inner voice, and your small daily actions that help you grow. And if this is your first time here, welcome to our English family. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so you never miss our daily English practice. We're here together, Monday through Friday, helping each other grow step by step. Before we begin, take one gentle breath with me. In and out. Relax your shoulders. Relax your face. You are safe here. You can learn slowly and calmly with me. In this episode, we will talk about learning blocks that make speaking hard, how to change negative thoughts, how your brain builds new English roads, and how daily shadowing helps you speak with confidence. So, my wonderful learners, are you ready to start speaking English today? Good. Let's begin. Now, let's talk about something very important. It is called a learning block. A learning block is something that stops you when you try to speak English. You want to speak. You open your mouth, but no words come out. Maybe you feel fear. Maybe you feel stress. Maybe you think, I am too slow, or I am not good at English. These thoughts feel real, but they are not the truth. They are only blocks. They are small walls inside your mind. A learning block is not about grammar. It is not about vocabulary. It is usually about a feeling or a thought. For example, I make too many mistakes. People will laugh at me. My accent is bad. I will never be fluent. My friend, these thoughts do not help you. They make your body feel tense. Your heart beats fast. Your brain says, stop, this is not safe. But speaking a language is not dangerous. It is simply new. Your brain only needs time to learn. Now, imagine 3 learning zones. The first zone is the safe zone. This English is easy. You know these words. You feel comfortable, but you do not grow much here. The second zone is the stretch zone. This is the best place to learn. English feels a little difficult, but not too difficult. You can think, you can try, you can improve. The third zone is the panic zone. This English is too hard for now. You understand almost nothing. Your brain feels stressed. Your body feels nervous. You cannot learn in this zone. Many learning blocks come from staying in the panic zone for too long. So we will move back to the stretch zone. This is the healthy place where your English can grow. And here is the good news. Learning blocks are normal. Every learner has them. But you can change them. You can understand them, and you can move past them step by step. Now, my wonderful learners, I want to give you some good news. Your brain can change. Your brain can grow. Many learners think, I am too old, or my brain is slow, or I cannot improve. But this is not true. When you learn something new, your brain makes a small road inside your mind. At the beginning, the road is very small. It is hard to walk on it. But when you practice the same English words and the same sentences again and again, the road becomes bigger. It becomes smoother. It becomes easier to use. This is why daily shadowing helps so much. Every time you repeat a simple sentence, you make your English road stronger. At first, speaking feels slow. Words come out one by one. You feel tired. But after some time, your brain starts to remember whole phrases. You speak faster. You speak more naturally. So when your mind says, "I cannot change," you can answer, "My brain can change. I am learning." This is called a growth mindset. It means you believe you can improve with practice. And you can, my wonderful learners. You can improve. You can grow. You can speak English with confidence. Speaking of training your brain, tomorrow's episode will show you exactly how to build strong English habits that last. We'll discover the 5-minute method that changes everything. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. Now, let's talk about your inner voice. Your inner voice is the small voice inside your mind. It speaks to you all day. Sometimes this voice is kind. It says, "You can do it." But sometimes it is not kind. It says, "You are too slow," or "Your English is bad." When you listen to this negative voice, your body becomes tense. Your heart beats fast. Your mind becomes quiet. Speaking English feels difficult. But here is the good news. You can change your inner voice. You can give it new, simple, positive sentences. For example, we can change, "I am bad at English. I am learning English. I make too many mistakes. I make mistakes because I am learning. I will never be fluent. I am not fluent yet." The word "yet" is very powerful. It tells your brain that you are on the way. You are growing. You are improving step by step. When your inner voice becomes gentle and positive, you feel more calm. You feel more confident. And speaking English becomes easier. These positive thoughts are so powerful for building confidence. If you're feeling more positive about your English already, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps other learners find us and join our supportive community. All right, now let's talk about something that can truly change your English journey. It is the idea of small wins. A small win is a tiny success. It can be one new sentence you say. It can be understanding a short English video. It can even be speaking English for 1 minute. But many learners ignore these small wins. They only look for big results. They want perfect English. They want fluency fast. But English grows slowly, like a small plant. You give it a little water every day, and one day you look back and say, "I am different now. I can speak." Small wins help your brain feel safe. They tell your mind, "I can do this." They build confidence step by step. So now, let me give you a simple daily English system. It takes only 10 minutes. Step 1. Listen for 2 minutes. Choose something easy. Try to understand about 80%. Step 2. Shadow for 2 minutes. Repeat the words you hear. Copy the rhythm and the sound. Step 3. Personalize for 2 minutes. Make the sentence about your life. For example, "I wake up early" becomes "I wake up at 7. Step 4. Speak freely for 2 minutes. Talk about your day. Describe something around you. Just keep speaking. Step 5. Reflect for 2 minutes. Ask yourself, what was easy? What was difficult? What can I try again tomorrow? This is your tiny daily system. It is simple, it is short, but it is powerful. If you follow this for 1 week, you will feel a change. If you follow this for 1 month, other people will notice. And if you follow it for 6 months, your English will grow in a beautiful way. Remember, small steps create big results. 1 minute, 1 sentence, 1 small win. And here's something I'd love to know. What was your biggest aha moment from today's episode? Maybe it was learning about the stretch zone or changing your inner voice. Share it in the comments below. I read every single one, and I love hearing about your progress. Our community is so supportive and encouraging. When you share your thoughts, you're not just helping me, you're inspiring other learners too. All right, let's practice together. We talked about learning blocks, your brain, your inner voice, and small wins. Now it is time to use everything in real English. We will do a short shadowing practice. Shadowing means you listen and speak at the same time. Try to copy my voice, copy my rhythm, copy my feeling. I will say simple sentences. You repeat after me or with me. Do your best. Do not worry about mistakes. Let's begin with confident sentences. I am learning English. I am improving every day. My English brain can grow. I don't need to be perfect. I only need to try. Well done. Now, let's train your English brain with relaxation phrases. I can speak slowly. I can think calmly. My brain can learn new things. I am safe when I practice English. I am doing my best today. Good, very good. Now, let's practice simple daily English. I wake up early. I make coffee in the morning. I listen to English for a few minutes. I try to speak a little every day. I am building strong English habits. Great job. And now, a few motivation sentences to finish. I am not afraid of mistakes. I can grow step by step. I am stronger than I think. I am on my English journey. I believe in myself. Beautiful, truly beautiful. Perfect! You just completed your first brain training shadowing session with me. How did that feel? Easy? A little challenging? Let me know in the comments. I'm always curious about your experience. All right, today was amazing. You listened slowly. You learned new ideas. You practiced with shadowing. And you took one more step forward. Remember this. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need big words. You only need small daily practice. Your brain can change. Your confidence can grow. Your English can improve, one small win at a time. I am proud of you for being here today. You showed up, you practiced, and you grew. And speaking of brain training, tomorrow's episode will show you exactly how to build English habits that actually stick. We'll discover the 5-minute method that changes everything. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. You're not just learning English sentences today, you're training your English brain. You're building new neural pathways. You're becoming the confident English speaker you want to be. Thank you for learning with me, my wonderful learners. I am Teacher Emma, and this is English Unlocked, the podcast. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep training your English brain, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next episode. Take care. Goodbye for now.